So, to remove the fog lights, to replace the bulb, or put LEDs on your fog lights on a 2016 Honda CR-V, you need a flathead. And carefully just go by here. There's a few clips. Just kind of just pop them out. That's 2. That's 3. And then on this little corner here. One there, one there, and in that little corner. I just pop it out slowly. Try not to do it too hard. The clip should come right off. That comes off. You use a drill, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. There'll be a Phillips right here. 1 Phillips. It just comes right out. There you go. Unplug the wire. Light bulb should come right out. Put the light bulb right back in. Replace it with the LEDs. Connect it. The positive would be on the white, negative would be on the black. So on these LEDs it would say positive and negative. Easiest way to do it if you're doing it by yourself, or if you have someone to help you, you can just plug it, make sure it turns on before you put everything back together. Just gonna put the screw on just a little bit. Pretty sure it'll work there, but just to be 100% before I do put that piece back on. There you go. Fog lights work. Be all set. Pretty easy. Pretty simple. I've looked at a few videos, but they were telling me to take plastics off and wear well plastic, and I didn't want to do all that, so I found the easier way, and this is the way to do it. Then you grab this. I think I tightened it all the way. Yep. Check on that. Now all this should make sure that the clips will go right in where they belong. Once you have them all nice and lined up, should click right back in. Right there. There we go. All set. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good one.